Assalamu alaikum, this is me Dushan Iftikhar. In this video we'll go through the synonyms, overview, exercise questions of unit number 6, the Kai's vision and Pakistan. So let's begin. I'll give you overview of this unit, that is the Kai's vision and Pakistan, to understand what is in this unit and what is it talking about. After the overview we'll go through the synonyms and meanings of the difficult words those are used in this unit. We'll also learn how to pronounce these words correctly. So let's get started with the overview. As our new tasks, situations and circumstances often give us tough time. Same thing happened with the people who put their feet in new country, that is Pakistan. There were a lots of difficulties those they were facing. To keep their morale up, Quaid-e-Azam traveled all over the country. He did motivational speeches based on his own experience and Islamic teachings. Qaidism spent his whole life to have separate homeland for all Muslims of the subcontinent. For this he struggled hard and conveyed his opinion in simple way even a common man could easily understand his vision. 3 years before the emergence of Pakistan, Al-Qaeda clearly conveyed the message of all Muslims of subcontinent to the whole world that Muslims have their own way of living in every aspect of life, like culture, traditions, legal laws, etc. Therefore, they must need separate homeland to spend their lives according to the Islamic laws. Qaidism had strong faith. He believed that whole society will be reformed by following Islamic principles, as in Eid message, September 1945. Islam is a complete code regulating the whole Muslim society, every department of life, collectively and individually. Today again, Kais Pakistan is facing many challenges. We have forgotten the struggles of our ancestors. If we really want to overcome these challenges, then we have to act on golden motto of Qaid. Those are faith, unity, and discipline. And we can motivate our nation by remembering the advice that he gave to the youth. It is now up to you to work, work, and work, and we are bound to succeed. So it was the overview of this unit. So now let's move towards the synonyms of the difficult or important words. Those are used in this unit. Let's begin. Emergence, coming out. Zuhur, yes, banna. Undertook, undertake, zima lena. Countrywide, all over the country, पूरे मुल्क में. Raising, lifting up. बढ़ाना, spirit, courage. जज्बा, overwhelmed, overcome. काबू पाना, enormity, extent. शिद्दत, sheer, absolute. And determination, willpower. पुख्ता इरादा. Sterling, genuine, म्यारी. Morale, confidence. खुद एतमादी. Afraid, scared, डर. Bravely, fearlessly, बहादुरी. Honor, respect, इज्जत. Entire, whole, मुकम्मल. Struggle, effort, कोशिश. Pivot, revolve, महवर. Affirmed, confirmed. तस्दीक किया. Distinctive, unique, नुमाया. Civilization, nation, culture. Sqafat, literature, liberal arts. Adab, nomenclature, taxonomy, नाम रखने का तरीका. Proportion, quantity, तनासुब. Legal, lawful, कानूनी. Custom, ritual. रवाज, aptitude, ability, skill. सलाहियत, ambition, objective, मकसद, outlook, viewpoint. नज़रिया, ideology, philosophy. नज़रिया, fundamental, basic, बुनियादी. resist, oppose, मुखालफत. firmly, confidently. साबित कदमी से. reform, improvement, islah. regulating, flexible. चलाना, कलेक्टिवली, कॉमनली, इज्तमाही तौर पर, इंडिविजुअली, अलोन, इनफरादी तौर पर, न्यूमरस, सेवरल, कई, डायनामिक, एक्टिव, मुतहरिक, ओवरकम, डिफीट, काबू पाना, मोटो, स्लोगन, असूल. So these were the synonyms of this unit. Now we'll answer the questions related to this unit, the Kai's vision and Pakistan. So let's begin. Our first question is, why did the Qaid have to take long tours during the early days of independence? कायद-ए-आज़म को ये आज़ादी के शुरू के दिनों में लॉन्ग टूर्स क्यों करने पड़े? आंसर: He had to take long tours to build confidence and raise people's spirit. उन्हें लोगों को एतमाद में लेने और उनके शऊर को बेदार करने के लिए लॉन्ग टूर्स, तवील दौरे करने पड़े. Our next question: Why did Qaid want the oneness of the whole nation? कायद तमाम कौम की वहदत क्यों चाहते थे? आंसर: He wanted so to make the whole nation strong and prosperous. वो तमाम कौम को मजबूत और खुशहाल बनाने के लिए ऐसा चाहते थे. Our next question: Are we working according to the expectations of the great leader? क्या हम अपने अजीम लीडर की तवक्कुआत के मुताबिक काम कर रहे हैं? Our answer: No, we are not working according to the expectations of the great leader. We have not made Pakistan a progressive, democratic country. All of us are not united and ambitious to act, progress and compete with other nations. नहीं, हम अपने अजीम रहनुमा के तवक्कुआत के मुताबिक काम नहीं कर रहे. हमने पाकिस्तान को तरक्की पजीर या जमहूरी मुल्क नहीं बनाया. हम सब मुत्तहिद नहीं हैं और तरक्की करने और दीगर कौमों का मुकाबला करने का जज्बा नहीं रखते. Our next question: What is the result of neglecting the advice of the Qaid? कायद की नसीहत को नज़रअंदाज करने का क्या नतीजा निकला है? Answer: By neglecting the advice of the Qaid, we have become disunited. That is why we are facing so many problems. कायद की नसीहत नज़रअंदाज करके हम यूनाइटेड नहीं रहे, जिसकी वजह से हमें बहुत सारी प्रॉब्लम्स का सामना करना पड़ रहा है. Our next question: How much confidence did कायद-ए-आज़म have in his nation? कायद-ए-आज़म को अपनी कौम पर कितना एतमाद था? Answer: Qaid-e-Azam had much confidence in his nation because he believed that his nation was made of sterling material and second to none. कायद-ए-आज़म अपनी कौम पर बहुत ज़्यादा एतमाद रखते थे क्योंकि उनको यकीन था कि उनकी कौम आहनी मादे से किसी तरह कम नहीं. Our next question: What was the Qaid's concept of our nation? Answer: The Qaid's concept of our nation was that the Muslims were a nation with their own distinctive culture and civilization, language and literature, art and architecture, names and nomenclature, sense of values and proportion, legal laws and moral codes, custom and calendar, history and tradition, aptitude and ambitions. He said that they had their own distinctive outlook on life. कायद-ए-आज़म का हमारी कौम के बारे में क्या नज़रिया था? हमारी कौम के बारे में कायद-ए-आज़म का नज़रिया यह था कि मुसलमान अपनी इम्तियाज़ी सकाफ़त और तहज़ीब, ज़ुबान और लिटरेचर, अदब, आर्ट और फ़न तामीर, आर्किटेक्चर, फ़न तामीर, नाम रखने के तरीक़ाकार, एहसास इक़्तिदार, कानूनी कायदों और अखलाकी ज़ाब्तों, रस्म रवाज, तारीख़ और रवायत, रुझान और मकासद के लिहाज से एक कौम है. आपने फरमाया कि वो ज़िंदगी के बारे में अपना मख़सूस ज़ाविया फ़िक्र रखते हैं. Our next question: What was the ideology of Pakistan in view of Qaid-e-Azam? कायद-ए-आज़म के मुताबिक पाकिस्तान का नज़रिया क्या था? Answer: The ideology of Pakistan in view of Quaid-e-Azam was based on the fundamental principle that the Muslims were an independent nation, and any attempt to get them merge their national and political identity would be strongly resisted. कायद-ए-आज़म के नुक्ता नज़र की रूह से पाकिस्तान के नज़रिए की बुनियाद इस बुनियादी असूल पर थी कि मुसलमान एक आज़ाद कौम है और उनकी कौमी और सियासी शनाख्त में लाने की किसी भी कोशिश के खिलाफ सख्त मज़ाहमत होगी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन: व्हाट कैन बी द पॉसिबल सॉल्यूशंस टू आवर प्रेजेंट प्रॉब्लम्स? हमारे मौजूदा मसाइल का मुमकिन हल क्या हो सकता है? आंसर: we can solve our present problems by becoming united, leaving aside our personal, local, lingual, ethnic, sectarian, or provincial identities and prejudices. हम अपनी ज़ाती, मुकामी, ज़ुबानी, सकाफ़ती, फ़िरका वाराना या सूबाई परस्ती और तासुबात छोड़कर मुत्तहद होकर अपने मौजूदा मसाइल हल कर सकते हैं। Our last question: How can we become a strong nation? हम एक मजबूत कौम कैसे बन सकते हैं? Our answer: We can become a strong nation if we follow the principles and advices given by our कायद। अपने कायद के बताए हुए असूलों और नसीहतों पर अमल करके हम एक मजबूत कौम बन सकते हैं। So this brings me to end this lecture. Thanks for watching.